Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope all of you today are in good condition. The Honorable Professor Dr. Trio Supriyatno MAG as the lecturer of the Talk of Islamic Education subject and all of the audience on my YouTube channel. So, we make this video to fulfill our task in the Talk of Islamic Education subject. I'm not alone here because in this presentation we have two presentators. The first is me, Siti Ainur Rahmah, and the second is my partner, Muhammad Adam Faisal Rauf. So, in this presentation, we will talk about the Talk of Islamic Education by Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi. So, this presentation has 4 topics as you can see in the screen. Okay, let's move to our first topic. The biography and works of Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi. So, Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi was born in Gontor. Gontor is one of the territory at Ponorogo, and Ponorogo is one of the territory at East Java, Indonesia. And Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi was born on March 21 in 1910 and died on March 30 in 1985. Imam Zarkashi learned his trade in the few boarding school in his city, which means he studied at Gontor and surroundings. And moving to our next material is about the works of Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi. The first is Usuluddin or Aqaid Study, and the second is the book about Fiqh 1 and 2, and the third is book about Tajweed, and the fourth is Guidance of Faith, and the next is Qawaidul Imla, and the last one is book about the alphabet of Al-Quran 1 and 2. And our next material is about the Talk of Islamic Education by Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi. The first is about educational system and methods. The educational system implemented in modern dorm of Gontor is the classical and dorm education system or boarding institution. The yellow book, or we also call it as the yellow kitab, right, are picked in a way that is adjusted to the country's education grade. And the classical system is developed by leadership and organized in the form of grade level a set period of time. This classical system is a renewal form. Why? Because this classical system is diverse from the old model boarding system. And the second is about education materials and curriculum. The curriculum applied by Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi was balanced. I mean, balance is 100 general and also 100 religious like that. And the curriculum on traditional dorms focused more on the religious material found in the classic book or classic kitab, or I already tell you that is yellow kitab. And Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi maintained the religious materials, adding general knowledge to the education curriculum. So, it's balanced, right? Materials and curriculum in modern dorm of Gontor are distinguishing between religious knowledge and general knowledge, and all students received the two knowledge at once according to their respective grade levels. The materials and curriculum that are developed are divided into 2 parts. The first is the curriculum materials that are intracurricular or academic, and that are extracurricular or non-academic. And the third is about structure and management. For the benefit of the education and teaching of Islam, Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi donated the modern dorm of Gontor to the foundation called the Foundation Donate the Modern Dorm of Gontor, or the Foundation Wakaf Modern Dorm of Gontor, so as not to be private. With such structures, the Kiai and his family, I mean the Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi and his family, right, don't have any material rights to dorm. And now, dorm have become an open and objective public institution. And the next is about mindset and freedom. Each santri is given direction through exemplary and environmental conditioning. The independent souls were also instilled in santri. Furthermore, a boarding house as an educational institution must also remain independent of others. So, with this concept, expected that Santri to have standing on its own. The Santri was free to determine his future, to have a spirit of grace and a soul of simplicity in life. Souls independent are instilled in Santri. Here, I have prepared a table of differences to distinguish the thought of Islamic education from Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi with the other figures to make it easier for us to understand the material. The first term is about educational system and method. According to Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi, the educational system is the classical and dorm education system or boarding institution. The yellow books or the yellow kitab are packed in a way that is adjusted to the Santri's education grade. Meanwhile, the other figures in delivering the religion lesson use a contextual approach. The second term is about education materials and curriculum. According to Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi, the curriculum is 100% general and 100% religious. And according to the other figures, not only teach general science but also religious education all at once. The materials are morals or akhlak education, individual education, and society education. And the next term is about structure and management. According to Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi, Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi donated the modern dorm of Gontor to the foundation called the Foundation Donate the Modern Dorm of Gontor, so as not to be private. Meanwhile, the other figures form a complete foundation with a reliable organizational system. And the last term is about mindset and freedom. Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi and the other figures given direction through exemplary and environmental conditioning to the santri or the student.
Okay, thank you, Mbak Nur. And then the next material is Excellent Education System, Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi. The education system was instituted by Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi, proved to have the many advantages compared to other 149 education system. These advantages can be seen from the modernity of the system applied. Modernity is not highlighted in term or facility of facility. Modern is the equation, is modern is the term of system, concept, method, and this advantages include grouping student with class according to be potential student, like the genders, or talent, and honors. And number two, the mystery of the basic of the language English and Arabic. So we know about language English and Arabic is international language in the world. And the number three, the hostel available with a larger capacity is a big capacity. And number three, learn much about the yellow book. Yellow book is like to Fiqh, Fathul Qarib, and others. So this is for the ethic and moral, the young generation in now era. And then number five, the curriculum is 100% generation and 100% religious. It's balanced in between. And next material is the greatest contribution of the Turk to the development of Islamic education in Indonesia conferring. In this conferring, there is complete one, the complete of the needs of human resources that must be immediately pilot. And number two, balancing the paradigm and achievement of the Indonesia generation with the development by countries in the concept of religions and general knowledge. And number three, complete intellectualism of prospective Muslim general intra and extra. Number four, make student more affectionate and in love with science knowledge and boarding school. Love and science knowledge and boarding school. Number five, realize the government generation of skilled. Realize the generation is skilled, compatible, intellectual, and social. And number six, forming a generation of Muslims who are ready for the modern era and globalization. And let's make the next material, contribution of educational to Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi. Education, the Kiai Haji Imam Zarkashi is widely applied by educational institutions in Indonesia. Thus, pesantren modern, integrate Islamic school, boarding school and schools, classroom system classical, learning starts from easy material to hard material. This is what a now mentally development by education institution in Indonesia. Even if there come problems that often occur in the world, the education, such as the turning the face of Indonesia education is with pesantren education. Pesantren remain is the institution with the best alternative education. Never having browse santri between boarding school of boarding student who cannot take the exam because there is no choice. There are these not students from the poor familiar then entry to boarding school. And education to Kiai Haji Imam Zakarti very cloring pattern education Indonesia. This can be sent from the curriculum research competition, competent KBK education unit level curriculum KTSP, and self and local content, character forming education nation, PPKB, and play the Indonesia have all of the been applied by Kiai Haji Imam Zakarti since before Indonesia independent. And the link of educational ethos Kiai Haji Imam Zakarti with independence nation. So the education system and concept of Panca Indera, Kiai Haji Imam Zakarti give birth to independence, both intellectually, institutionally, and individually. The student institutionally education institution developed by Kiai Haji Imam Zakarti is the independent institution and is not above by one group. Since the beginning, students have been required to be hard living and independently take care of the all needs this life. Independent is one of the factor the educational institution still exists to not early to helping hand, especially from the government. This one slogan the familiar adopted by Kiai Haji Imam Zakarsi for education system is Gondar is above and for all class. Thank you and back so by Nur.
Okay, the presentation is done. Thank you for coming here to see our presentation. Enjoy the presentation and I'm sorry for any mistake. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.